So now what we need to do is that we need to work on the function that's going to handle taking the data from the form. So as you can see, we have here said that the create article URL is going to handle it, which is associated with this function. So in this function, we need first of all to check here. We need to say if and then request dot method request dot method. If the method is equal to post, then we can continue and we can take the data from the form. So what I'm going to do here is that I am going to say I'm going to get the data from the form. So what are the fields? The fields are the title and the content. And what are the names? The names are title and content respectively. So here I'm going to say request dot post dot get, and then I need to get the title, and then I'm going to store it. I'm going to store it in a variable called title. I'm going to say title, and then that title is going to be equal to request request post dot get, and then we get the title. Next, we need to get the content. So I'm going to say content, and then the content is going to be equal to request dot post dot get, and then we need to get the content. And then we need to store, now what we need to do is that we need to get these and store them in the model. Because the model, remember, the model, let me show you that. The model, this model, the article model, talks to the database behind the scenes and inserts data into the database. So we need to say, we need to create a new object of this article form. So I'm going to import here. First of all, I need to say from models, I need to import the article. So here I'm going to create a new object of the article. I'm going to say article, and then the article is going to be a new article. And then I'm going to use this article object, and then I'm going to access the title, and then the title of this new object is going to be equal to the title that we got from the form, and then the article content is going to be equal to the content. Finally, we need to say article dot save. This is going to store it. Now this save function is going to take this object and then it's going to store it in the database. And once we are done, we can return. We can here return, and then where should we return? We should return to any page. I'm going to return using the redirect. I'm going to say redirect, and then I'm going to redirect to any page you want. Let's redirect to, let me check the URLs. Let's redirect to the we have here create, we have the specific. Let's redirect to the index. So I'm going to redirect to the index. I'm going to say here index, and we need to import the redirect. So here at the top I'm going to say comma and then redirect. And in case the method is not post, we need to return and then redirect to any page you want. Let's redirect also to the index. Let me now save everything and let me head on over to the browser to test. So now let me first make sure that we don't have any errors. So let me save everything. Here I should say here from dot models, because we are in the same directory. We need here to say dot models. Don't forget here the dot models. Let me now save and head over to the browser to test. Now let me refresh and let me insert something. So here I'm going to say this is my first article. This is my first article, and then this is the article content. and then I'm going to click on create. And as you can see, what happened is that it took me to the first URL, which means that it worked successfully.